Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Azure NSG rules for inbound and outbound step by step clearly. Open the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Sign in using your administrator account credentials. Locate the All Services option in the left side menu. Search for and select Network Security Groups. Find and select the specific network security group you want to verify. Once the NSG page opens, navigate to the Inbound Security Rules tab. Review the list of inbound rules displayed. Check for the priority order of each rule, as lower numbers have higher priority. Verify the source port range, destination port range, and action for each rule. To analyze outbound rules, click on the Outbound Security Rules tab. Review the list of outbound rules displayed. Again, check the priority order for outbound rules. Examine the source port range, destination port range, and action for each outbound rule. If any rules need modification, click on the rule name to edit. Make necessary changes and click Save to apply your updates. After verifying rules, check for effective security rules by clicking Effective Security Rules. This tab to ensure proper configuration, review the effective rules for both inbound and outbound traffic. If everything is set up correctly, you will see the expected outcomes for your security settings. Log out of the Azure portal when you have completed your review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.